Good morning, students. This is 9th standard mathematics. Today's topic is mensuration. In the last session, we had learnt about how to find the areas of cube and cuboid. In this session, we are going to learn about how to find the volumes of cube and cuboid. Now, let us learn about what is a volume. It is the space occupied by an object. It is always measured of a 3D object. Volume is measured in millimeter cube, centimeter cube, meter cube or kilometer cube. A cuboid has 6 faces, but not all the faces are equal. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. That is, volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Cuboid. A cuboid has length, breadth and height. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to length into width into height. Here, the length, width and height of the cube are equal. The length, breadth and height of a cube are equal. We call it as edge. So, the volume of a cube is equal to edge into edge into edge. This is the reduced syllabus of 9th standard mathematics. In this session, we are going to learn about exercise 7.3 in mensuration. Exercise 7.3. First problem. Find the volume of cuboid whose dimensions are, the first subdivision is length is equal to 12 centimeter, breadth is equal to 8 centimeter and the height is equal to 6 centimeter. Here in this problem, the length, breadth and heights are given. We have to find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. The formula is, what is the formula for to find the volume of cuboid? The formula is nothing but L into B into H. So volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. This is the formula for to find the volume of cuboid. Here in this problem, the length given as, the length L is nothing but, length is taken as L. Length is given as 12 centimeter and breadth B is nothing but 8 centimeter and the height H is given as 6 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid is equal to, the formula is L into B into H, isn't it? So here L is nothing but 12 and the breadth B is nothing but 8 and the height H is nothing but 6. So now we have to multiply the numbers 12, 8 and 6. 12 into 8 into 6. So the answer is 576. 576 centimeter cube. So this is the answer for the first sum. The volume of cuboid is equal to 576 centimeter cube. Exercise 7.3, first problem, second subdivision. Find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are, second subdivision is length is equal to 60 meter, breadth is equal to 25 meter and height is equal to 1.5 meter. Solution. Here length, breadth and height of the cuboid is given. So what is the length of the cuboid? Length is taken as L. Length is nothing but 60 meter and the breadth, what is the breadth? B. B is nothing but 25 meter and the height is taken as H. Height is nothing but 1.5 meter. Now we have to find the volume of cuboid. What is the formula for to find the volume of cuboid? So volume of cuboid is equal to, what is the formula? L into B into H. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. Now we have to substitute the values. Length L is nothing but 60 into the breadth B is 25 into the height H is 1.5. Now we have to multiply these three numbers, isn't it? When we multiply these two numbers, first multiply these two numbers. 1500 into 1.5. So the final answer is 2250 centimeter cube. 2250 meter cube is the final answer for this problem. Exercise 7.3, second problem. The dimensions of a matchbox are 6 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter into 2.5 centimeter. Find the volume of packet containing 12 such matchboxes. What is the shape of the matchbox? Matchbox is in cuboid shape, isn't it? So here the length, breadth and heights are given. Length is nothing but 6 centimeter. Breadth is 3.5 centimeter and the height is 2.5 centimeter. We have to find the volume of packet. Volume of packet containing 12 such matchboxes. First we have to find the volume of one matchbox. That is volume of cuboid, isn't it? So volume of one such matchbox. First we have to find the volume of one matchbox and then we have to multiply the answer by 12 to find the volume of 12 such matchboxes. Here solution. Answer is, first here in this problem the dimension of a matchbox is given as. So here the length L is nothing but, the first value is length 6 centimeter and the second value is breadth. Second value is 3.5 centimeter and the third value is nothing but height. Height is taken as H. So the third value is 2.5 centimeter. So the length, breadth and the heights of the matchbox cuboid is given. Now we have to find the volume of one matchbox, volume of cuboid. What is the formula for to find the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid is equal to, the formula is L into B into H. This is the volume of cuboid. Cuboid, here the cuboid is nothing but matchbox, isn't it? Volume of one matchbox, volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So what is your L? L is, the length is nothing but 6 into, what is your breadth? Which is 3.5 into the height is 2.5. Now we have to multiply these three numbers. If we multiply these three numbers, we will get, now 6 into multiplying 3.5 into 2.5, we will get 8.75. Now multiplying 6 into 8.75, you will get 52.5. 52.5 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cuboid or volume of one matchbox. Volume of one cuboid or one matchbox. This is the volume of one matchbox. Now in this problem they are asking to find what is the volume of packet containing 12 such matchboxes. 12 such matchboxes. So you have to multiply this answer by 12. So volume of 12 matchboxes. 12 matchboxes is equal to volume of one matchbox is 52.5. So volume of 12 matchboxes 52.5 into 12. We have to multiply this answer by 12. So the final answer is 630. So volume of 12 such matchboxes is 630 centimeter cube. This is the answer for the second problem. Exercise 7.3, sixth problem. The volume of a container is 1440 meter cube. The length and breadth of the container are 15 meter and 8 meter respectively. Find its height. Here in this problem, the volume is given. Volume of the container is 1440 meter cube. And also the length and the breadth are given. We have to find the height. In this problem, we have to find the height of the container. Okay. Solution given. What is given? The length is nothing but, length is taken as L. Length is nothing but 15 meter. And breadth B is given as 8 meter. We have to find the height of the cuboidal box. Height is not given here. So we have to find the height of the cuboidal box. And also what is given? Volume. Volume of the cuboid is given. Volume is equal to 1440 meter cube. Volume is given in the problem. So you have to write volume is equal to 1440. Now what is the formula for to find the volume of cuboid? What is the formula for finding the volume of cuboid? Which is nothing but, the formula is nothing but L into B into H. This you already know. So the volume is nothing but L into B into H. This is the formula for to find the volume of cuboid. So this is L into B into H is equal to what they are given? 1440. So L into B into H is equal to 1440. Now we have to substitute L. Value of L. What is the value of L? L is nothing but 15 into the breadth B is nothing but 8 into the height is not given. So write this H as it is, which is equal to 1440. Now in this equation we have to find the value of H, isn't it? So H is equal to 1440 divided by this 15 into 8. So now H is equal to 1440 divided by, multiplying these two numbers, you will get 120. 15 into 8 is 120. Now cancel 1 0 1 0. Cancelling these two zeros. and then you have 144 by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 12s are 144. So the final answer is the height h is nothing but 12 meter. So the height h is nothing but 12 meter. This is the answer. Exercise 7.3, seventh problem. Find the volume of a cube, each of whose side is, first subdivision is 5 centimeter. The side of the cube is 5 centimeter and the second problem is 21 centimeter. Now let us solve the first problem. The first subdivision is 5 centimeter. Answer. First subdivision is 5 centimeter. Solution. Here the side of the cube is given. Side is taken as L. Side of the cube is given as 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of cube. Volume of cube. So now the formula for to find the volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to, the formula is nothing but A cube cubic units. This is the formula for to find the volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to A cube. This is the formula. So A cube is nothing but, here the value of A is given as 5. So 5 cube, you have to write 5 cube. 5 cube is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5. Isn't it? 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 125 centimeter cube. 125 centimeter cube is the answer for the seventh sum, first subdivision. And the second subdivision is, here the second subdivision is given as 21 centimeter. The side of the cube is nothing but 21 centimeter. We have to find the volume of cube. Solution. Here the side of the cube is taken as A, which is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of cube. What is the formula for to find the volume of cube? Volume of cube is nothing but A cube. This is the formula. So here A is nothing but 21 cube. So 21 cube is 21 into 21 into 21. So multiplying these two numbers and finally multiplying the answer with this number, you will get 9,261 centimeter cube. This is the answer for the seventh sum, second subdivision. Exercise 7.3, eighth problem. A cubical milk tank can hold 125,000 liters of milk. Find the length of its side in meters. We have to find the length of the side of the cubical tank, milk tank in meters. Okay, here solution. The answer is, here what is given in the problem? Given cubical milk tank can hold. Hold means its volume is given. Its capacity is given here. The capacity of the cubical milk tank is given. So the capacity should be taken as the volume. Isn't it? So the volume of cubical tank. The volume of cubical tank is nothing but 125,000 liters. Now we have to convert this liters as meters because they are asking to find the answer in meters. So you know 1 meter is equal to 1000 liters. You know this. 1 meter is equal to 1000 liters. Therefore, volume of cubical tank in meters. They are given in liters, so we have to convert it by meters. So volume of cubical tank is equal to 125,000 divided by, you have to divide by 1000 to convert in this liters to meters. You have to convert this volume divided by 1000. So cancelling 3 zeros from the numerator and cancelling 3 zeros from the denominator, you will get 125. So volume of cubical tank is equal to 125 meter cube. Now we converted this liters into meter cube. So this is the volume of cubical tank in meters, 125 meter cube. Now we have to find the side of the cubical tank, isn't it? So what is the formula? What is the volume formula? Volume of the cube. What is the formula? A cube. Volume of the cubical tank. Volume of cube is A cube, which is given as 125. 125 meter cube. So A cube is equal to 125 meter cube. Now we have to find the value of A. Length of one side means you have to find the value of A. Okay. So A is equal to cube root of 125. Taking cube roots, you will get A is equal to cube root of 125. This 3 will become to that side, another side, it will become the cube root. So A is equal to cube root of, taking prime factorization for 125, you will get 2 5s are 10 and remaining we have 25. 5 5s are 25. Again you have 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. This and all you already know. So taking prime factorization, you will write this 125 as 5 into 5 into 5. So A is equal to, here cube root is there, we have 5 in 3 times. So you will take 1 5 outside. So cube root of 125, the answer is 5. A is equal to 5. Therefore, the length of the side of the cubical tank. Length of the side of the cubical tank is equal to 5 meter. Is equal to 5 meter. This is the answer for the 8th problem. Exercise 7.3, 9th problem. A metallic cube with the side 15 centimeter is melted and formed into a cuboid. If the length and height of the cuboid is 25 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively, then find the breadth of the cuboid. Here in this problem, they are given the metallic cube is melted and reformed into a cuboid. The cube is melted and reformed into cuboid. So the capacity is same for cube and cuboid. That means the volume of cube is equal to the volume of cuboid. In this problem, they are given the cube is melted and formed into a cuboid. That means the volume of cube is equal to volume of cuboid. The side of the cube is given as 15 centimeter and here the length and the breadth of the cuboid. Length is nothing but 25 centimeter and the height of the cuboid is nothing but 9 centimeter. We have to find the breadth of the cuboid. Okay. So in this problem, they are given volume of cube is equal to volume of cuboid and then we have to find the breadth of the cuboid. So answer, the solution is nothing but here Therefore, here the side of the cube given, side of the cube is equal to, side of the cube is equal to 15 centimeter. That is A. Side of the cube A is given as 15 centimeter. And for cuboid they are given. For cuboid the length and heights are given, isn't it? So the length of the cuboid, length of the cuboid is taken as L. Length of the cuboid is given as 25 centimeter. And the height of the cuboid is nothing but, height of the cuboid is given as, height is nothing but H. Height of the cuboid is given as 9 centimeter. Now we have to find the breadth of the cuboid. Breadth is nothing but B. Breadth of the cuboid is taken as B. We have to find the value of B. Also in this problem they are given the volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to volume of cuboid. In the problem they are given the volume of cube is nothing but volume of cuboid. So you know what is the formula for to find volume of cube, which is A cube is equal to volume of cuboid is nothing but L into B into H. So A is given as 15. You have to write 15 into 15 into 15, which is equal to the length given as 25 and the breadth given as, the breadth is not given, so you have to write this breadth B as it is. Okay, and then the height H is given as 9 centimeter. In this equation you have to find the value of B, isn't it? So take this 25 and 9 to the left hand side. So 15 into 15 into 15 divided by 25 into 9, which is equal to B. This is the your breadth of the cuboid. So now you have to cancel the numerator and then the denominator. Now for 5 table, 25 cancelled by 5. 5 5s are 25. In the numerator 3 5s are 15. Again 1 5s are 5. Here 3 5s are 15. We can cancel this 9 by 3. So 1 3s are 3. Here 3 3s are 9. We can cancel the numerator and the denominator. 3 1s are 3. Here also 3 1s are 3. Therefore the breadth B is given as, in the numerator we have 15 and the denominator we have 1. So the breadth B is equal to breadth of the cuboid. Breadth of the cuboid B is equal to 15 centimeter. This is the final answer for the 9th problem. So in this problem they are given the metallic cube is melted and formed into a cuboid. So you have to take the volume of cube is equal to the volume of cuboid. Okay, for cube they are given the side of the cube, and for cuboid they are given the length and height. We have to find the breadth by equating the volume of both cube and cuboid. So the final answer, breadth of the cuboid B is equal to 15 centimeter. These are the practice problems for you. Practice these sums in your classwork note. If you have any doubt in this, it will be clarified in school timings.